So sunset eyes are the favorite most thing which I love to do, especially in the summer. So today I'm going to be creating a very beautiful kind of a makeup look using the Faces Starry Eyes palette. This is a new launch and I really love this palette and I really want to show you how the formulation is. So let's get started. So I'm going to pick up a pencil brush and I'm going to use a little bit of this coral shade and we're going to apply it in the outer corner. And this brush is actually something I bought from this brand called as Misha. It's not an Indian brand, it's a Korean brand, but you can literally use any pencil brush from PAC or Pro Arte. It'll give you the same finish. So we're going to apply a little bit of that color in the outer corner in a curved shape, as you can see. And I'm keeping it a little more close towards the eye. That way it's more, easy to blend out instead of creating like a cat shape. So we're starting with that and we'll slowly start to extend it. That way it does not go all the way till the ears. Slowly, I'm going to pull whatever color is left towards the crease of my eye. And this is the Milagro Beauty's blending brush in 59. We're going to pick up that peachy kind of a shade to buff out the edges a little more. It's not a very dark kind of a look. I wanted to keep it a little more kind of, lighter and more kind of everyday friendly. So I'm not going to go with the darker tones, just a little bit of peach. We're going to use that to blend. And I'm going to use the Bougie Beauty brush in B214. It's a very nice flat brush. It's perfect for your shimmers. Picking up that cranberry kind of a tone and I'm going to apply that in the inner 2/3 of the lid. So starting at the inner, going till the middle and pulling it slightly out from the middle. That way there is not a harsh line in the center of your eye. That's the reason why we're taking it at 2/3 of the eye. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This is like a very nice like smudgeable kajal. And once it dries, it kind of becomes a little smudge proof. And I really like this to work upon eyeshadows because it blends well. So creating a half wing, I'm going to use the Pro Arte PE29. I'm going to buff the kajal outwards and keep this as thin as possible. Otherwise it gets very messy. So very less amount of kajal and very softly blend it out. You can also do this with a earbud if you're finding it hard to work with a pencil brush or even a liner brush. That will also work really well. So buffing out the upper edge as well as the outer corner and pulling the product towards the lash line and the outer side, adding a little more kajal in case if you lose the depth, and then now we can use an eyeliner brush. So this is again from Milagro and we're going to start to pull that out into the shape of like a smoky soft wing, and I'm also connecting that a little towards the middle of the eye. Taking the same kajal, applying that only in the outer part of the lower lash line. This will help you to kind of give you that eye lift because we're applying it only in the outer area. So we're applying a little there and with whatever is slightly coming out, I'm just going to blend that out. Taking the orange and buffing it out further. Taking a shimmer and I'm going to add that just for a little bit of color in the inner corner. Using the Stays liquid eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner. So we're going to go ahead and create a little bit of liner in that place. And then using the Mamaearth's volumizing mascara, apply around 1 to 2 coats of mascara. And make sure you're applying it also towards the upper side of the lashes. That way any shimmer fallout which is on the lashes will be gone. So after this, I'm going to go ahead with the Lashes by Little Secret. It's a brand. You can order these from Instagram. And I'm going to use this in the variant Drama Queen. And I'm going to apply a little bit of glue. You can go ahead and do it even the other way around where you place your inner corner and then your outer corner if that's the way you find it a little tricky. So this is the completed look and you can totally skip the lashes if you want to keep it a little more natural. And I hope you all enjoyed this look. It's such a beautiful way of doing the liner. I absolutely love how it elongates my eyes. So the formulation of the Faces palette is just stunning and it has a couple of textures going on. The finish is stunning and it looks so good on the eye. The color range is really nice too and I really find that is very friendly for the Indian skin tone. So definitely try this out and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye-bye.